Hi, my name is Pranit, and in this video I will be showing you how exactly you can sign new clients for your business on Twitter. So why exactly you have to do Twitter outreach is because you can send up to 500 DMs a day with a Twitter premium account, and this premium account will cost you only $8 per month, and with that you can get a blue tick. So for example, this is my demo Twitter account. I have got a blue tick here. So this is my premium account that I got on Twitter. So why exactly this Twitter account will cost you only $8 per month in America? So why exactly you have to do Twitter outreach is because unlike Facebook and Instagram where you can only send like 50 DMs a day maximum, on Twitter you can send up to 500 DMs a day, which is insane. And then once you get the premium account, after you pay like $8 per month, then you can get a blue tick. After that, in order to get the in order to sign new clients, you have to find the target profiles who your target audience follows. For example, let's say that your target audience is like agency owners and you want to target agency owners and you want to get them as your clients. Then for example, Charlie Morgan is a very popular influencer in this digital marketing space, and a lot of agency owners and marketers follow him. So what we can do is I can just target the people who are following this particular individual, and as I said, a lot of influencers and a lot of agency owners follow this particular individual. So what I can do is I can send the DM messages to people who follow this particular individual. So for example, this is a extension that allow me to send DMs on Twitter on bulk. So I will just create a bot here. I'll just say as Charlie Morgan demo bot. So I will just target people based upon the followers of this particular individual. So this is the username of this person. I'll just copy the username. So this is the bot I will be using. Go to the bots. Yes, Morgan. This is the username. So now what I can do is I can just increase the limit to like number of users, or let's say that I want to send up to 25,000, or I can reduce that as well. And then what's amazing about this bot and this extension is that I can not only send a DM but also like a tweet and also reply to a tweet. So this will increase my reply rates because the person will not only see that I have sent him a DM but also like the tweet and reply the tweet. So that will increase the engagement a lot, and that will increase the reply rates a lot as well. So this is just a demo message that I will be sending. Of course, if you want to send the main offer, then the message will be different, and I can also use Pentax as well so that it will not look spammy and it will improve the deliverability of the DMs. So this is just a thing here, and these are some additional settings that you can just ignore as of now. And then this is the reply comment, because I'm also replying to a tweet. So this is the reply comment here. So I can just send this is the demo one from the custom message. Let's just stick to this one. So as you can see, I can also use the username or full name or first name and last name as well, which will improve the personalization, and it will make the DMs more personalized. And I can also like for example, if you can see, I'm also liking the tweet here. I can select the latest tweet to like them, and this is the time gap here. So let me just keep it to 3 to 6 minutes, and then after every 5 messages has been sent, it will pause for 10 to 15 or 16 minutes. And let me just save this thing here and click on agree and continue. And this is the DM bot right here. So and now what's amazing is that in the message settings you can just add the follow-ups and everything. For example, you can just add the lot of syntax like this here. You can add the messages. For example, the Charlie Morgan, I can just add this message. I can add the message here, and then let me just type something here, and then Charlie Morgan. I can select this one here. Go to the bots. Click on this. I can select the custom message from template. Do something like this. Charlie Morgan. So that's how it is. So let me just click on. Let me just use this custom message. Let me just save this here. Click on continue. And what's amazing is that in the settings tab, I can enable the filter, and then I can filter down the audience of the Charlie Morgan, and I can only send to people who have followers between, let's say, like I want to send the DMs to people who have at least 50 followers on Twitter, and I can 50 to like let's say 1,000. That's what I can do here, or I can uh, even filter down based upon the posts that they have, or all the verified accounts, or for example, let's say that I can filter, for example, if the particular person has agency in the bio, then I can only target those people as well, which will be laser targeted actually. I will be targeting the exact audience in that case. So I can also do blacklist and everything. So let me just click on this here, and let me just remove this. This will improve the targeting much higher, but I don't want to do that as of now. So let me just go to that, go to the bots, and let me just click on this. This will start running the bot here. Now let me just go here. This will, as you can see, the bot is running here. So now let me just show you how this looks here. So in the message tab, now let me just refresh the page. Just give 2 minutes and the message will be sent here, because as you can see here the DM bot is working out here. It is in the progress section. Now let me just refresh the page. As you can see here the DM has been sent. Hello Zandhya, you are very nice. And when you click on the profile, you can see it has also liked a tweet here, and it has also sent a reply to a tweet. So this will increase the reply rates significantly, because you're not just sending a DM but also you are liking a post, and also you are replying to our post. That will increase the reply rate much higher than just sending a DM. So apart from that, I also have tools like, for example, I do have tools like XReacher. So this tool also helps automate the outreach much higher scale, but it's a little bit more expensive side. And I have tools like repeat.ai. So these are additional tools that allow me to send DMs. So that's how it is, and that's how I send DMs on Twitter on autopilot. And if you want to basically like use like 5 different X accounts, and if you want to like send like 2000 DMs a day on 5 different X accounts, then in order to do that you have to use something called as residential proxies. So you have to buy proxies, or you can just buy proxies from Webshare here. You can just purchase the proxies from here, and then you can just add them into the anti-detect browser like this, and you can just use the anti-detect browser, and then you can start sending the DMs on 5 different X accounts. Each account will be using a separate IP address, so your account will not get banned or suspended because you're sending from different IP addresses. So that's how you can uh, increase and send like 2000 DMs on Twitter per day. That will be like around 60,000 DMs per month using 5 different accounts. And make sure that you have to have a premium account on Twitter in order to do that. As you can see, let me just show you one more DM here. So as you can see, this was the DM. Now let me just refresh. So this is how the DM was being sent here. So this was just a demo to show you how the DMs are being sent. If I just pause for at least like 3 or 4 minutes more, and the DM will be sent. So this is how the DM outreach on Twitter works. So yeah, once the people will respond to you back, you can just talk to them and have a conversation with them, and you can just close the deal. So that's how that Twitter DM outreach works.